In this video, I will be explaining the concept of cloning in connection to the target practice game. Once I begin the game, and after I walk through the introduction, which will be explained in lessons 5 and 6, you'll see how the targets are actually clones of one another and how the green check marks that appear after the target is successfully clicked is a clone but with a different costume. So, when the target is clicked and a green check mark appears, that is really the same sprite, and you'll see that here, how the costume of that sprite is changing. But the score variable is global, so it can sense that each new sprite is being clicked on and that the player is accumulating points. To successfully complete challenge number 2, all you really need is just various costumes that can be rotated through, but keep in mind that to complete the target practice game, you'll have to alter the costumes based on user sensing or sensing the user's input. The provided instructions that you saw in this video will also be a part of lessons 5 and 6, and that will focus on user gameplay more than anything else.